We're going to do the unboxing for the PROLiNK PIC3001 wireless IP camera. Now this camera has the following features. It's got a motion detection. It has got push notifications where you can trigger an alert by motion. It has a full HD recording, able to pan and tilt, and there's also a day and night operation with a two-way audio communication, and there are multiple recording methods. So let's take a look at this camera as we unboxed. It has got a card with a camera ID and a password. You can even scan a QR code. This is a quick installation guide. It's got an Ethernet cable, some screws. So this is the power adapter, and I believe this is the camera mount if you need to mount it on the wall. Okay, I think this is a reset pin. Interesting that they come shipped with a reset pin. So before the camera, this is the USB cable. So it's a micro USB cable. And finally, what we have here is the camera itself. So it's got slots for a SD card, and this is a point for reset, and this is the DC 5 volts in via the USB cable, and of course it supports Ethernet as well. Next, we're going to show you how to set up this camera. First and foremost, with the USB cable, we'll plug it into the wall socket. Once that is done, with the other end of the micro USB, you need to plug it to the back of the camera. Now once that is done, you can turn on the power at the wall socket. You can see that once you turn on, there's a red LED that lights up, indicating that the camera is now powered on.
Please use mobile phone for Wi-Fi configuration.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Once you power up, it's actually telling us to use our mobile phone for Wi-Fi configuration. So from the mobile phone, we need to go to our Android Play Store. From the Play Store, do a search for PROLiNK MCam. Install the apps on your mobile phone. While it's downloading, you may want to note that you can also scan the QR code. That will also get you the apps for you to download and install. So once the apps is installed, you can open. So there are some restrictions here, and we will allow PROLiNK to access photos, media and files on our device. And we definitely need PROLiNK MCam to take pictures and record video. So select allow. The next step is to add the camera. So let's tap on the plus icon. So let's do a scan on the QR code. So once you have scanned the QR code, these are the two models that the apps support. Go to Next. We'll allow the PROLiNK MCam to access this device location. So now you need to fill in the wireless network password. And do note that this device does not support 5 GHz wireless network. So your mobile phone needs to be on the 2.4 GHz. So let's input the Wi-Fi password. Once the Wi-Fi password is keyed in, go to Next. So the configuration has failed. Let's go to Next to try another config method, which is a Smart Wi-Fi mode. Select Next. For the Smart Wi-Fi modes, there are two steps. First, we need to press the camera's reset button once, followed by pressing the Next after a beep sound and indicated with red blinking LED as shown above. So let us press the camera's reset button once. Okay, so this is the reset button. You press and press once.
Enter Smart Wi-Fi mode.
So let's press Next. Tap on Next. We'll need to place our phone screen in front of the IP camera. Let's do that.
Scanning succeeded. Attempting for connectivity.
So scanning has succeeded.
Connect success.
So on our phone, we can change the camera's password. So our camera has been successfully added. And let's take a look. So this is the view that the camera is currently seeing through our mobile phone. We can actually scroll and we can also zoom in. We can press to talk or even to record. We can do a recording by putting in a SD card at the back of the camera or recording it to cloud.